Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Winds Tarot, and this is your most requested Charms Love and Work 2022 readings for Cancers. If your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Cancer, this reading is for you. If you know a Cancer, you can cross watch it for them. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share our channel, Magic Winds Tarot. To buy a personal reading, friends, visit our website and also join us on Instagram, friends, as Magic Winds Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. This is a general reading, friends. It may resonate or it may not. So Cancers, how are we going to do this reading? We are going to look at the theme, then your love life, work life, advice, and then the charm. So a full detailed reading is here. Let's see. Let's start. All right. So let us see first the theme of the year 2022 for you Cancers. Let us see what is the theme of the year 2022 for Cancers. Ooh, the King of Wands. Three of Cups. Beautiful. That's amazing. And the Sun. Oh my God. That's a beautiful year for you Cancers. Congratulations. King of Wands. You are going to take charge of your destiny, Cancers. You are going to connect with your inner power, inner, the divine goddess, the divine God within you, and you are going to absolutely take charge of your life, take charge of your destiny. This is a very, very passionate year for you. I also feel this is a year of celebrations. Yes, celebrations are coming your way, success is coming your way. You could be celebrating fame, you could be celebrating this year. Your leadership skills, your leadership roles. Some of you could actually be getting married, or I don't know, fame. I see a lot of fame coming towards you. Also, some of you could be getting married this year to a person who is quite famous or quite well to do. Like, you could also be becoming a celebrity this year. So there is a lot of super good energies for you Cancers. Yeah, I think this is the happiest reading till now I have done. Everyone had a little bit of tough 2022, but thank God Cancers, you having a lighter one. I'm so happy for you. Yes, I want to cry. It makes me so happy. The sun, yes, absolutely. This is the year of happiness. This is the year the sun will shine in your life. Also, a lot of rewards of your past hard work will be reaped this year, friends. So, you have been doing a lot of work, Cancers, and this is the year you will see your hard work paying off. You are actually transforming. Look at this, look at this, the King of Wands flying through blazing fire. So you are coming out of fire, you are coming out of fire into light, into sunshine, into happiness, into joy. This is the year of your soul growth. This is the year where you reap the rewards. I can't even say this is the year of karmic rewards. No, it is something better. It is like you have worked for it and you have happily earned it. You are like going places, Cancers. Yes, fame is there, happiness is there. Some of you could be actually having pregnancy this year, having a child which is extremely gifted. So if you are planning for a pregnancy, that child would be a very, very gifted child. Also, celebrations are coming your way. I also see some of you could be celebrating fame, some of you could be celebrating meeting your twin flame, getting married to them, settling down, having kids. Fame, I also see fame, success in, you becoming a celebrity also. So, yoo-hoo, let's see your love life, Cancers. Cancer's love life. The Strength, the Seven of Pentacles, the Knight of Wands, the Death. Okay, the mid of the year, the Page of Wands, the Moon, the Judgment. Okay, Queen of Swords, Six of Cups, Ace of Cups, and The Four of Pentacles. Wow, the Fool. Oh my God, Cancers. This is going to be an extremely good year for you. Just wait and watch. Everyone is having a year which is like a wave. Like ups and downs and ups and downs. You are like surfing the wave. Oh, mama. But yours is a much better year, trust me. And let's see your love life. So, you start your love life, with a lot of passion. The first few months of the year 2022 will have a lot of passion. Knight of Wands. You could be dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sag person. There is a lot of passion. There is a lot of communication going on in the first half of your relationships. First half of the year. Your relationships are passionate. They are extremely steamy. There is a lot of attraction also. Also, some of you may be feeling like you may be feeling like you really love this person, but your partner may actually be a little superficial with you in the first half of the year. So, you will be testing whether your love life or your relationships are actually strong or not. If you are not testing, then the universe will be testing your love. But I do see that there is a chance you have a feeling, Cancer, that your love life is very strong, or your marriage or your commitment is extremely strong. Yes, from your side, but from your person's side, look at this. Look at this. There is this angry person, and you are like, what's happening? Why are you so angry and upset with me? So, there is a lot of passion in the first half of the year, and it can lead to a lot of aggression. I see the Mars is very active for you, Cancers, especially if you are married or in a relationship. So, yes, your relationships are strong, but you have to be patient because there is the energy of Scorpio, the death energy. So, I don't know why some of you may actually go through confusions, like your relationships are do you really need change? Is it time for change? Do you really? I think you will be debating these questions in the first half of the year. Do you really need to change your partner? Are you ready for change? Is it a good partnership? Is it not? If you are single, you would be considering whether to love somebody or not to love somebody. Do you really want to be in love or not? I also feel you feel your relationships are strong, or your person may feel this is a right, perfect relationship, but you may feel differently, Cancers. Someone is coming from an ego, and you are coming from intuition about your relationships in the first half of the year. The Seven of Pentacles, yes, you have to be extremely patient in the first half of the year. Take your decisions, take your time, do not rush and do not hurry. I feel there may be a discord in your head and mind will say different things. Your heart will say yes, it's time to move on for something new. Your mind will say no, this is a good partnership, I want to stay in my comfort zone, I want to step out of it. So that is the problem you will face this year in the first half, but still I see your relationships will be kind of okay because you have the Strength card there. Let's see the mid of the year. It is the mid of the year when you will be getting new opportunities. Also, some fresh excitement will be coming. Aries, Leo, Sag, and an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person will be important for you. I feel there will be a choice of partners in the mid of the year. So you will be having choices of partnerships, lovers, judgment. Yes, your relationships will be actually tested at the mid of the year. And this is the time when you may tell your person whatever you feel honestly, Cancers, or they may say something to you honestly. So, this is the time when your relationships will be tested, and if they are not strong, they will be removed. Someone better will be coming along. So, everything will be happening quick. You will not have to worry. The moon. There is a lot of love, there is a lot of emotional highs in the mid of the year. You will have to decide to go for love or to stay with something which is conventional. Cancer, you have a choice everywhere. In the first half, you have a choice to stay comfortable, to go for the new. In the second half, you have the choice to go for love or for conventional things, for what is, to follow the heart, follow the moon, or to follow the sun. You see, the moon, the sun, you have everything here. It's just what you want to follow, Cancers. Yes, your love life will be a little confusing, things will be tested, but if you are clear what you want, things will be easier in the mid of the month. At the end of the year, things will be absolutely fantastic for you, Cancers. A new romance, a new dawn, a reunion will be happening. Some of you could actually be uniting with or meeting with your twin flames or your soulmate and falling in love. Six of Cups, yes, some of you could be falling in love, getting married with a past person or a childhood crush or your twin flame or your soulmate. It's absolutely fantastic and it's a magical energy. I am having goosebumps right now. And the Fool, yes, this is a brand new start of your life, Cancers. This is something that you have always wanted, but you never got. And you had to go through a lot to reach to this place. You had to witness yourself. Your relationships were tested. You had to go through a lot to reach to this ultimate level of love. Four of Pentacles, yes. This love you can rely on, Cancers. This is the love of your lifetime. This is the holy love, and you can rely on it. Let's see the advice for you, Cancers. And then we'll see your work and career. Hope, yes, your wishes will be coming true, friends. Oh my God, big transformations. Yes, there is still hope in your love life, friends. If you are single, please do not give up. Big changes are coming your way, and if you felt someone has really, left you, they will never come back. There is a chance of them coming back. Emotional withdrawal, no. I feel, one thing you need to believe in is that it's never too late. It's never too late for you. It's never too late to love, to fall back in love. And some of you are disappointed by somebody who left you. Maybe you are missing your twin flame, or you want to be with your twin flame, soulmate, whatever, and you feel you have lost them. But loss is temporary, happiness is permanent. So let's see your work and career now. Cancers, their work, Hangman. Okay, the Ace of Pentacles. Oh my God, the Queen of Wands. The Chariot. You're going places, friends. Absolutely. This is a big year for you, Cancers. Yes, you have like 1, 2, 3, 3 and 4 major arcanas here. This is strong. This is a big year. So this is the year when you will actually be starting something which is brand new. I think more than brand new, you are solidifying your gains. Whatever you are doing currently, friends, you will reach to its highest position in the year 2022. Some of you could be actually starting some gold work, maybe jewelry making, healing with gold. I don't know, you are connecting with healing energies, fire energies, dragon energies. You are turning into master healers in the year 2022, Cancers. For others of you, you could be going into businesses that deal with jewelry, precious gems, stones, and some of you are definitely going and following your passions, and this will change your life. Something big will happen in your career. Your destiny will change. Fame is coming, success is coming, celebrity. Yes, you will follow your passion, and there is a chance you could be turning into a celebrity yourself. Queen of Wands, an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person will help you, Cancers, this year. Your career will be keeping you very busy this year, friends. Chariot, you will be traveling a lot. You will be making a lot of changes. You will also be actually, following a lot of, making a lot of changes or making a lot of plans. You will be traveling a lot also. Things will be quick in your work and career and studies also. The Hanged Man, I would say the first half of the year will be very slow for you. The first 4 months will be slow, so you have to hang in there and not give up, Cancers. If you hang in there, things will start to move very quickly towards success for you. The Devil, yes, you are obsessed with success. You are obsessed with working hard. You will be putting in extra efforts in your work, in your career, in your finances. So please make sure to rest, relax, and give your health a priority. Do not become over obsessed with your work and career. And I also feel some of you, if you are students, you could be going into architecture, gaming, designing. All those kind of things are important. Coding, designing, gaming, automobiles, all these areas are very important, and it could be something new that you are starting and it will change your life. Let's see some advice and then your charms. Oh wow, forgiveness and understanding. Yes, this is the time to forgive people, forgive yourself, and be ready for this sun to shine in your life and this amazing, blazing love to come into your life. Trust the universe. Yes, things are happening as per the divine plan, Cancer, so you must trust. Some days you may feel like your life is going crazy, but it's not. It's not going crazy, it's just going as per the universe. And no, so some of you may actually be, something you want may not happen because something better is on its way to you, way towards you. So keep that in mind, Cancers. Let us see what else. Cancers, their love life, their life in 2022. All right, so let's see. You have again very few charms. Let me see if I can, I think it's on purpose you have few charms. Otherwise they would have come. Let's see, we got some now. Okay, you have number 31 stuck in E. I don't know why that's important. I mean, for some of you it's important. Letter E and number 31. Oh, you have a cowboy hat and a lady hat. That's interesting. So, some of you are attracting someone who is exactly like you, or like, opposites will attract this year. Like, someone you could be attracting a cowboy, or they may find you very different, delicate, sweet, loving, ladylike, and someone who is very manly. Oh my god. So, Den is Denny. Denny could be the name. Den is there. Deno, Benno. Uh, uh, Pen is there, so some letter writing may be important. Oden could also be important for you, friends. The name Oden. uh, Wendy, I see the name Wendy here. So Pen is also there, Den is there, so Boden is there. Maybe that's a name for somebody. So Oden, BW, and P. Messages, important messages of love will be coming your way. Fishes, skeleton. Yes, this is an emotional year for you, Cancers. A year of happiness and love, but also a year of saying bye bye to the past. Number 10 is important. Number 60, number 99, 999 is important. Number 31 is important. All right. The Wheel of Fortune. So, yes, you are absolutely blessed. The romance, lady hat. Someone very ladylike, someone very sweet and romantic is coming. Someone you want to protect, The cowboy. Someone very manly, someone very passionate. Even if she's a woman, she's extremely passionate and she's a leader, that person is coming in your life. So the passionate, your passion will be very high. The lantern, yes, some of you could actually be finding a spiritual mentor, a spiritual relationship this year. Some of you could be meeting your twin flame or a spiritual guru or some mentor, or you could be becoming teachers yourself. The heart, this is the like a this is a flower which is exotic, like something exotic will happen. Fame, letting go of the past. This golden leaf, money coming your way, a lot of money. Violin, music is very important. Music will help you or connect you with someone, some new persons, a new lover, new soulmate. 10 of year, end of difficulties. Dove, forgiving yourself, forgiving a past person. 4 of coins, patience, planning, and patience will help you. 10 of cups, yes, ultimate happiness, family happiness. End of, if you had any family inheritances problems, that will resolve well. You are quite big, friends. You are bigger than your problems, so remember that. Prince of coins, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. Neptune, emotional healing. Neptune is like karmic healing. And lover, yes, you will. A lover is coming your way. USA, somebody from another city or country is coming. 10 of coins. Wow, you have all the 10. 10 of air, 10 of cups, 10 of coins. So ultimate success in work, a lot of money. Karmic, yes. Some of you could be moving out of a karmic relationship and meeting the love of your life. Some of you could be actually ending a karmic cycle and then meeting your twin flame, or your twin flame is ending their karmic cycle and coming back to you. The King of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important for you, friends. That's it for now, Cancer. Subscribe, like, and share. Join us on Instagram to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. This is Mystic C Singh. Bye bye.